What's going on, everybody? Bronco 78 here. Got my old rusty, crusty wheels off. New ones put on. Shined up the letters on it. Nice and shiny. Looking good. I like it. Complete with a full-size spare now if I ever need it while I'm out in the woods. Only thing I don't like is these center caps right here, which I've got some different ones I'm going to switch those out with. These little plastic Pro Comp ones aren't much to talk about. She's about ready to head to Super Celebration here in a couple of days. See y'all there.